My name is Jim McBride from MBCaerosol, and I just wanted to talk to you today about anti-static material used in conventional aerosol production. The aerosol containers are filled with flammable products and flammable gases. So what we're trying to do here is protect the line, the operators, the facility, all from potential spark, which can be created by static. So first, the cans are coming off of the palletizer, which they could possibly be wrapped in plastic to keep them contained. So just by removing that plastic alone, you're creating static on the containers. So as they're placed on the line, they already have static on them. So what we're trying to do here is dissipate the static to keep that spark from happening. The conveyor is typically grounded, so any static that's created on the conveyor would be absorbed through that ground. All the materials that we're using here is anti-static material, so it's embedded with materials that absorb static and then dissipate it. So as the can's running down the conveyor, it's rubbing on the rails, and if that was not an anti-static material, that is a spark creator, as well as the conveyor chain that is riding on. Just a mere fact of it, if the cans were to stop and this chain was rubbing on the bottom of the can, that's creating static. So it being anti-static, the chain return rail and the chain return guide, all being anti-static materials, dissipates that static into that ground I was talking about. The other factor on a anti-static line would also be an explosion-proof motor, a Class 1 Div 1 Group C and D motor. And that's basically the motor that drives the chain. Could be in the area where you have explosive gases or flammable products. So the explosion-proof motor basically is a sealed motor that contains any spark energy that the motor's seeing. And so that's how we're containing that with that explosion-proof motor. Obviously, all the piping and conduit that goes to the motor is sealed up so that no gases can go back up in that pipe and create a spark as well and bring that back into the production facility. So yeah, that's basically the gist of keeping yourself safe on an aerosol production line. Static is the enemy, so we're trying to eliminate that.